Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can simulate scan body temperature on your POCO X5. So, we have to start from opening the Play Store, how you can see, and go to the body temperature app. Now choose that one and install it. Skip this window and wait a second to close that. Now go to the simulation section, and if you want to start the process, just hold the finger in this place. Now close that again, and how you can see this is my result. If you want to save it, just click on this button and confirm by the save. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.